a king of tears.
아니 어떻게 이렇게 다들
울지 마.
Bakit to?
이렇게 다들 하나같이 웃는 얼굴이야.
Parang lahat po kayo kasi nakasmile. Ano ba yan?
웃는 얼굴 보다가 눈물 나는 걸 처음인 것 같아요.
It's actually parang first time na looking at smiles and then I'm crying right now. Parang napaka-emotional ako.
I think we can say,
Ang galing. Ang galing.
I think we can say the Filipino fans have been seared into your mind now with that. They're now going to be absolutely unforgettable to you.
감사합니다.
Salamat po.
salamat po. 그래서 드라마가 이번에 눈물의 여왕이 이렇게 또 이렇게 필리핀에서도 크게 사랑을 받은 덕분에 이렇게 또 팬미팅도 할 수 있게 돼서 다시 한번 감사드립니다. 감사합니다.
And because of all of your love and support for Queen of Tears, I was able to do fan meeting here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
And you're right, you want to be here with the love of the fans, and of course, obviously, you love the fans back so much, which is why an event like tonight has been possible. Tears have been shed already, but are you all ready to enjoy this special night with Kim Chiang? Alrighty then, let's begin with our first segment. We're going to go straight into it. Our first segment is called Yung Dari Photos.